Okay, we're going to show you a room tour of the Disney's Wilderness Lodge. This is the water view room that they have on their website. It has the 2 queen beds and views of the pool, waterfall, Bay Lake, or Copper Creek. Beautiful skylight in here. Double sinks. Full-length mirror. The light behind it. Recessed lights on the top. They give you some body lotion and a facial soap. And then here's the toilet. It's got its own private area. Beautiful looking shower. Rainfall down that comes down. And the head right there. And right here you can hang stuff. Some of the things they give you here is body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Very nice. All right, over here, the little breakfast bar. Keurig is for your ice. They do give you some Keurig pods, 2 coffee cups, some disposable ones. Here, place to store some of your belongings, a safe, a handheld steamer is in there, luggage rack, pillow and blanket, so extra pillow and blanket. But this is a look at that handheld steamer. All right, and this is a look at the bed. These are queen size beds. Here. Decorated very nicely. It's got about a 40, maybe a 50-inch TV with welcome music, as you guys can hear. And then also your name will come up on the TV. 2 chairs. Now this one here is the pool view. So when you pull back the curtain, we're on level 1 of the pool view. Let's see if we can unlock it. Oh, something just ran out from there. Some kind of critter. I'm not 100% sure how you open this thing. Oh, there's double locks. There we go. All right, so this is a view of the pool on the first floor. So you don't get to tell them where, as far as level wise. We just said that we wanted pool view on the website, but this is where they put us on the first floor, which I don't mind because it's a walk. We can walk right over here, right to the pool. And then right there is one of the places to eat. And then I'll look at all the other cabins. So you can see, if you go through here, they do have a privacy wall here from the room right next to you. Oh, I left that open. All right, well, hopefully this video was helpful in showing you what to expect if you get this room. Oh, there's a full-length mirror here also. All right, if you like it, click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make videos all the time. Love to have you back in the next one. Take care.